How is Miss Hood's driving during the first ice storm of the year? Welcome to Miss Hood's School Bus Life. Because this morning the roads were fine. This is what I woke up to this morning. The only difference was it was pitch black dark. What a day we had today. I got up this morning and schools were closed all around us. Tree limbs covered in ice, just too heavy for the trees. This morning was a big challenge. This is what my bus looked like this morning. But the streets were fine. The temperature had gone up enough that you could drive on the streets. That's not rain. That's the ice melted off the trees. I had to drive through here this morning. And all these tree limbs that you see above us, they were touching the ground. I had to drive my bus through. There's an island on the left-hand side, so I couldn't do anything. I had to drive my bus through this. And it was scary. Limbs are hanging down. Now see, these limbs are hanging down in front of my smart car. And they're hitting my smart car. Imagine what they were doing to that bus. My bus, remember, is sitting really tall, and these limbs were dragging the top of my bus. We have cameras and radio in our bus, so I was really, really worried about my antennas. But I mean, the ice just ripped that tree limb right off the tree. See the thickness of that branch? Just snapped it right off. And we're all out there driving our bus the best we can. And these messages are coming through on our radio of everybody. Every 30 seconds somebody was saying, this road is blocked, you can't go down this road. As I went under those tree branches, any of them could have fallen on my bus at any moment, and I was trapped because I couldn't back up into that main road, and I couldn't get away from the island, so I just had to go at a snail's pace and go through under those limbs. They're still hanging down really low. Trees with these huge limbs that just cracked and fell to the ground. This tree, it came down. It came off of that tree and fell, tore up the fence. Huge tree across the road. They are so busy cleaning up all this that this thing has laid here for almost 4 hours. It is beautiful. Just look at this. Into these guys with MSD.
MSD picked it up.
Yeah. Angels of mercy for bus drivers. You don't have to do tree limbs. You just said, my heart goes out to those poor bus drivers that have to drive down the roads with trees laying across them.
Something like that.
What brought you here today?
This is the retention base.
Oh.
That's what we do with whatever's impeding the flow of water. And these neighborhood association got this grate with all the leaves and it backs up right there.
Yes.
We did that, and like I said, it was a big limb down. We just picked them all up. We did that by wheelbarrow.
Oh my gosh.
This pine was very weak. It broke up real easy.
This tree ended up on their house. That limb fell on the house. Thank goodness it wasn't a very big limb. It's all over the city. I was so frazzled this morning, I knew I had to go straight to Starbucks and get my favorite cappuccino. And then straight to here. Here I am, I've got it. I can't wait till I get home. But I don't need napkins. I don't think. I think I'll be okay. Awesome. So I'm driving my afternoon route. I think I'm free of all the ice and everything. I think it's going to be a good afternoon. And it starts snowing. And I pulled up beside one of my buddy bus drivers and I opened my window and she opened her door and I said, I did not sign on for this. It is snowing to beat the band. When I get to my car, I will show you. It is snowing. My back window, I'm going to have to go knock that off. Will we be back tomorrow? That is how much snow we've gotten. It was an extremely anxious day in Miss Hood's school bus life. Drive safe, everybody.